Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Justin to the rescue! Being an idiot. It's raining out here. Wet too. This is not waterproof.
Should you be doing that?
I don't care.
You don't have to pay for a new one though.
Ah, it's fine.
And I'm going to the pool.
And that pool, it is dirty. That is black. Blackness, I say. Black! It's the black abyss.
It's a black lagoon.
Haha.
Why is it making noises?
I have no idea.
Ray's telling you to put him away from the rain.
No, I can't. Kermit the Frog says no.
Shall we go down the penis slide?
Let's go down the penis slide.
I feel like a
Justin is gonna go down the penis slide.
kid. I don't know why I am. I think I'm stuck.
Oh, Jesus. Penis slide, oh, penis. As you can tell, it looks like a penis. Doesn't that look like a penis? It's called the penis tube.
This is not gonna end well.
Penis tube, penis tube.
You're gonna go down this one too, right?
Probably.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Oh God.
He's nervous. He's going down the penis tube. And it's raining like shit out here.
The vagina hole.
Okay, vagina hole. Either way, it's slick. Very slick.
I don't feel like this is a good idea anymore.
Come on. Have faith in the Justin. You'll make national news. Maybe.
I think I'm stuck now.
Oh shit. Oh Jesus. Penis tube.
I've been rebirthed.
How does that make you feel?
Alive.
Ah.
Your turn. That is Chris.
Penis tube. Penis tube. Slicky and wet and very slick and wet.
Go, Chris, go.
Ah. Penis tube. Going down the penis tube.
Go. Now.
Oh. Oh shit. I got all dirty.
Now what?
Now we went down the penis tube. Let's go home.
Okay.